Hey guys, it's TorqueWise. We just got our brand new mech design earthquake exhaust system delivered from Germany for the 500 SEC. We're going to be unboxing it for you guys and laying it out here on the grass to show you what it's going to look like in all its pieces. We're going to add Mech Design's website and Instagram page here, so go and check them out. Cheers. So guys, that was the unboxing. Govern, if you want to come in, mate, let's quickly run them through it. So we'll work back to front, as the back is usually what you see. The tailpipes are here underneath this cover.
You take that off and just show.
Yeah, go on.
That's the stock SEC tailpipes.
So that's stock. May change it up, but you'll see that closer towards the installation video really. We'll put that back together in a minute. This is the back box, so that essentially muffles some of the sound, and they do their engineering and all of that good stuff. Again, straight pipe here, and even within this mid box there's a straight pipe design inside that. Marnav, do you want to pick it up and give them a little sneak peek? So you'll see on the bottom they've got Mech Design, their logo and branding. Nice touch. Same with the back box as well. Marnav, what's the exhaust called again?
I think we got here, so we went for the earthquake variant.
That's it, earthquake. So again, this isn't just for the fun of it. It will add sound, it will kind of enhance and make the V8 rumble a bit more bassy and loud, but still keeping within the class of the car as well. You don't want to go too much and make it sound silly.
So
you know.
Just quickly on the note of the sound, do you want to just give us a little?
Don't put me on the spot.
Don't
put me on the spot.
Come on.
No, we need Adrian for that. He's good at that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Marnav, do you want to close it out now?
Yeah, sure. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the installation process with GV Performance.
GV, we'll see you soon, man.